Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be reviewing the Violet Voss the Rainbow eyeshadow palette. And if you guys did not check out my haul video, make sure you check it out. I'll try to link it up here in the description box. So I got this at one of the Sephoras that's kind of by where I live, close to where I live anyways. And I'm really excited to use it because, I mean, these colors are just so stunning. The only thing is that they're very shimmery. So I'm going to start off by going into my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. And I'm just going to start blending into the crease with Coral Punch and Sweet Tea and Old Fashioned. So I'm going to kind of fast forward through that part really quickly before we jump into the Violet Voss palette.
I should have stayed with you last night instead of going out to find trouble. That's just trouble. I think I run away sometimes whenever I get too vulnerable. That's not your fault. See, I wanna stay the whole night. I wanna lay with you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside. Though heaven knows I've tried. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Say, what's the matter with me? What's the matter with me?
Okay, so I started to my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and go into the shade Peach in the Violet Voss palette.
Every time it gets too real, and every time I feel I sabotage it, I start running. And every time I push away, I really want to say that I'm sorry, but I say nothing. I want to stay the whole night. I want to lay with you till the sun's up. I want to let you.
Alright, so I just went ahead and took that peach completely over the lid because that brown was not blending with it. It was just turning into a hot mess. So I will say the one thing that I don't like about this palette is that they're all shimmer shades, so there's no transition shades. So be mindful of that. If you plan to just have some shimmer eyeshadows and you have a matte palette, then you can combine the two and that'll work out for you. But if not, you're going to have to figure out how to incorporate some other palettes in there to get the kind of look that you're going for. So, I'm going to go in with the Violet Voss Just Slayin' Lashes. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to go off camera, finish up my face, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on the Violet Voss palette and lashes. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. It is very simple and super easy to create. I did enjoy this Violet Voss palette. I'm going to play with it some more because I want to play with the colors. Again, the only downfall is that there isn't one single matte shade in here. There's no transition shade, so you're going to have to add in another palette. And I did take my contacts out because the one thing I forgot about these Violet Voss lashes is that they tend to be kind of heavy. They are a thicker lash, but they just kind of like weigh the eye down, and I don't miss that because I've been wearing lighter lashes lately. So anyways, you guys, that is it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit your bell notification so you aren't missing out on any more videos. And don't forget to put a smile on your face. It is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.